Hello, here's how you can live stream on Kick with OBS. So, to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on PC, go to the search bar, type in kick.com and log into Kick using your user credentials. After you do this, you'll be on this page where you're going to simply click on your profile icon in the top right. Now simply choose Create a Dashboard. Once you click Create a Dashboard, you will see this page where you'll see a bunch of options. Now, this is the streaming section where you're going to simply click stream URL and key. Once you click this button, you will see this page where, as you can see, the stream URL and stream key is available just right here. Now, we'll minimize this window, navigate back to our screen, and here we are going to simply open up OBS Studio. So, OBS Studio looks something like this. As you can see, this is the interface. Here, you're going to simply click on settings icon at the bottom right. Once you click settings, you will see this page. Here, we are going to first configure our output. I will click on output. As you can see, this is the output setting you must have to get a very good quality output. Now, you can choose video and make sure you have 9020 into 1080 aspect ratio. That is the resolution if you want to stream through your PC. This will be the output and the common FPS value near 60. Now, click stream. Here, click service and choose show all. Or you can also just click custom. Now, as you can see, we get these two options where we'll have to paste the stream key and the server key. So we'll get back to our stream page that we were earlier on. I will simply copy this stream URL, or what you can also do is click on this eye icon. You will receive this page where you'll have to basically enter a code that will be sent to your email. Now, after you enter the code, you will see that you are now able to see your stream URL and stream key. Simply click copy after stream URL, that is this copy icon. Now, we'll get back to OBS and paste it in the server section. Now, get back to Kick again and copy the stream key by clicking the copy button. Now get back here and paste the stream key. Now, click apply. After you apply this, the streaming server will be set up. Now click OK, and here you can simply click start streaming. Once you click start streaming, the stream will instantly start on Kick. And we'll get back to Kick, and here you can see we are currently streaming on Kick. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.